Konnichiwa, kapangit. Kaimono ni ikimashita. Aizawa ikimashita. I'm happy that I saw this balimbing. In Philippines, it's balimbing. I don't know in English. And also, the food there is very cheap for me. It's cheap, not very, it's cheap, cheaper than the other supa. And I'm happy that I saw this steak. I can buy small part only, steaky. Suteki. And really, in the other supermarket, this is already 300 above, 300 yen above. Yeah, I'm happy. I always in other supermarket there is no steaky. Yeah, and if there is, it's so expensive. It was like 800 yen. And I buy a lot of notebook, and I came from Daiso also. I buy this for only 300. It's 120 in Philippines, I think. And my favorite kimchi, and when I want to try this one too. It's my first time to see. It's baga. I think it's hamburger. Hamburger is the same with this. And I buy two bread because lately the bread is only 100 yen. I think it's very cheap. The other supermarkets it's already 200, and this one also, it's big. Oh, look at that, it's big. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is only 380. This one is already, I think it's 800 in other supermarket. In Gyomo also is cheap in Gyomo and Bisaya. Yeah, other than that I don't know. Ciao. Yeah, it's expensive in the other area. Kaimono ni ikimashita. I came from the shop mall, or I buy something. Mata kondo ne.